Hey guys, it's Adam McDonald from the Auto Therapist here at Waverley Mitsubishi. Now I'm here with one of the many great vehicles that we currently have. This 2018 Toyota Sienna LE with only 28,000 kilometers and the condition that it's in, I cannot wait to show you guys. So let's hop right into it. All right, now taking a look on the outside of the Sienna, you can see it is in beautiful shape. Now the 17-inch alloy wheels get accompanied by the newer body style and front end grille. Now underneath that hood is a powerful but efficient V6 engine. Now on top here you can see those roof rails, so that gives you the option to attach bikes, travel gear, storage, and much more. I'll just bring you around to the back. Just want to show you in the trunk here. There is a set of mud flaps that have not been installed yet, but they are in here, as well as the extra set of carpet mats. So let's head on the inside and get a closer look. Alright, now on the inside of the Sienna, you can see this vehicle is extremely clean. The premium cloth seats are in great shape, and you can also see an added set of all-weather mats to give you even more protection from the elements. Now the Sienna has many safety features to protect you and your family, including a lane departure assist, pre-collision safety system, and a backup camera. But things like rear climate control, dual climate control, and Toyota's OnTune app suite give you comfort that you would expect. Again guys, this is Adam McDonald from the Auto Therapist here at Waverley Mitsubishi. Now the Sienna is a must-see and I'd love to show it to you, or any of our over 100 used vehicles that we currently have. So take care for now and we'll see you soon.